So guys, dito kami sa Sand Flats. Nandiyan yung Hell's Revenge, yung sikat na 4x4 trail. Nandito sa side na to. Ito, nandito guys sa side na to. Ayan, dyan yung starting niya. Babalik tayo ngayon guys, dito sa Falcon Flow. Ito yung start ng trail, Falcon Flow Trail Parking. Ayan.
Bye! See you in a few hours! Bye! May garlic bread.
Kaya nga, ikot kami dito sa town guys. As a tourist. I don't know why they will still have a dollar bill. No, fire first, that's one of the things we want to do.
Under this tremendous pressure, the salt beds were forced to wrestle. When the salt encountered deep frost, it was blocked.
1, 2, 3, 4. Gone by day and gone by night. It's not an easy road that leads you to the light. It's windy Someday it'll straighten out, and it's worth it on the other side when he brings that city down. You only get one shot, everything to lose. Lord, take me now, I'm broken and bruised. Can you save my soul, 'cause I need you. I need you. I'm no good and I'm no saint.
So yeah guys, we are in the Arch National Park.
I forgot my glasses.
So dito guys, madami kayong pwedeng mapuntahan.
Oh my gosh.
Yung mga
ang ganda.
mga art.
Show them.
Yan, tapos ito na yung mga guys. Papakita ko sa inyo to. Ito tayo ngayon guys, Park Avenue, tapos madami pang stop dito na pwede natin puntahan. Ayan. Let's go guys. So, dito kami guys sa balance rock. Tingnan nyo naman yung bato. Balanseng balanse. Hindi umuuga. Wow. Ganda guys. Guys, ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang ganda ng double arch na yan. Yung nasa likod namin. No?
Calling you to say
going Delicate Arc. Yeah, dito tayo pupunta guys. Bali, nandito tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo doon. Sa Delicate Arc. Ito yung famous na arc dito sa Mawag. Ito lagi yung mga pinupuntahan talaga. So hiking to 4.8 kilometers back and forth. Tapos hindi ko sure kung gaano kadali yung hike, pero we'll see. Kaya excited na kami makita yung arc na yun. Maganda daw kasi yun eh. Diba babe? Ayan. So doon tayo pupunta guys. Taas na yun. Makikita nyo yung mga tao doon.
Let's go trekking!
guys. Sobrang worth it. Sige.
Yeah, we'll be there in a minute.
Sobrang worth it ng biyahe tapos ng hike. Sobrang ganda. Baba na kami guys. Punta na namin yung Delicate Arc. So nice. Worth it yung ano natin. Yung hike. Sobrang ganda. I don't know but sobrang ganda nun. Ewan, paulit-ulit akong sinasabi. Sobrang ganda ng place na yan. Ng lugar na yan. Hindi ko akalain makakapunta ako sa mga ganun. Nice. Yeah, worth it. Worth it yung biyahe. Worth it yung hike.